Hey everyone! If you're a creator looking for the perfect tablet to edit your photos and videos in 2024, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top tablets that feel like they were made just for us. What makes a tablet stand out for you? Is it the vibrant colors that pop off the screen or the raw power to handle 4K video edits without breaking a sweat? Let's find out together. The best part is waiting for you at the end of the video. Let's get into it. Coming in at number 6, we've got the Lenovo Tab P11, the best budget tablet for photo and video editing. If you're working with a tight budget but still need reliable performance, this one's for you. It's powered by the MediaTek Helio G99, which handles basic editing tasks smoothly. Sure, it's not a powerhouse, but for lighter work and quick tweaks on the go, it's solid. The 11.5-inch 2K display is pretty impressive for its price, giving you clear visuals and decent brightness at 400 nits. With 4 GB of RAM, multitasking is fair, and the 64 GB storage, expandable via memory card, is a nice touch. For those watching their wallets, the Lenovo Tab P11 is a great balance of affordability and functionality. At number 5, we have the Amazon Fire HD10 with stylus perfect for artists venturing into digital editing without splurging. This tablet's standout feature is its compatibility with the made-for-Amazon stylus pen, which offers 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity. It's like drawing on paper. Performance-wise, it's decent with 3 GB of RAM and a processor that's 25% faster than its predecessor. With up to 13 hours of battery life, you can create to your heart's content without constantly searching for a charger. Number 4 is the Asus ROG Flow Z13, a premium choice for those who demand top-tier performance. This tablet is a beast with an Intel Core i9 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 graphics. Editing 4K or even 8K videos? No problem. With 16 GB of RAM and a 1 TB SSD, you'll experience lightning-fast load times and seamless multitasking. The Nebula display offers stunning visuals with 100% DCI-P3 coverage and Pantone validation. Plus, the ROG intelligent cooling system keeps everything running smoothly, no matter how intense your projects get. In third place, we have the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, the ultimate tablet for advanced users. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, this tablet handles demanding editing software effortlessly. The 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen is a visual treat, offering vibrant colors and deep contrasts, making your edits look true to life. Durability is another strong suit, thanks to its armor aluminum frame and IP68 rating, so you can take it anywhere without worry. This tablet is designed to keep up with your creative adventures, no matter where they take you. The runner-up is the Microsoft Surface Pro 9, the best Windows tablet for photo and video editing. Running Windows 11, this tablet becomes your AI-powered partner with the innovative Copilot feature, making complex tasks simpler. The 13-inch touchscreen adjusts color balance intelligently, ensuring your work looks great in any setting. The Surface Pro 9's adjustable kickstand and Surface Slim Pen 2 make it versatile, whether you're sketching or typing. With up to 19 hours of battery life, it's ready to go whenever inspiration strikes. And finally, our top pick, the Apple iPad Pro. This is the ultimate editing powerhouse thanks to the M4 chip. It handles 4K video edits and detailed photo retouching with ease. iPadOS enhances your workflow with intuitive multitasking, letting you manage multiple apps smoothly. The 13-inch Liquid Retina XDR display showcases your work in stunning detail, with high brightness and color accuracy. Plus, the Apple Pencil transforms your iPad into a precise and responsive canvas, perfect for any creative task. With impressive battery life, the iPad Pro is the go-to tool for creators who need flexibility and power. So, there you have it. Which tablet are you leaning towards? A high-value deal like the Lenovo Tab P11 or a powerhouse like the Asus ROG Flow Z13? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next video. Happy editing, everyone!